Right, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to set up your charts for day trading and swing trading. So day trading is basically when you are in and out of a trade within a day, or intraday trading as we call it. Swing trading is basically when you are holding your trades over a period of time, which can be overnight, over weeks, even over months. Now, there is no right or wrong answer. I think what's most important to start this video off is what is right for you. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Dan Chung here, aka Champ, bringing you another learn and earn video to help you guys become a better trader. So we're going to be talking about day trading and swing trading, and I want to go through them and how I set my charts up and how you could potentially figure out which one is right for you. So let's get to the charts. So the first step is when you kind of come into your trading, you kind of really want to have a strategy figured out. Now, when I have a strategy, I've given one plenty of times, but here are a few that I have. So here is basically a swing trading strategy that I have. I have my wake up. So I wake up in the morning, I review my vision board, have my trading rules, review my why, my notions. You know, why am I doing this? Why do I want to be successful? Why do I want to get into trading? Why do I even want to make money? Because it's quite an interesting point of view, right? Like, you want to make money, you make it, so what? There is actually a lot more to it when you start digging into your why, but we'll save that for another video. Do some mindfulness, then we open the chart. So we look from the daily all the way down to the 4 hour and 1 hour. Now this is based on a BRE strategy, which we call a break and retest. Simply, I'm looking for a break of a structure and then a retest. Then I look for an entry on the time frame. Is there a continuation or an impulse entry, pattern A, stop loss, or take profit? Here is another example of what we call a full pattern A. And this is just a strategy that I have and I came up with over time. So I wake up, I have my vision board again because I like to be clear. I like to be clear of what it is that I'm doing, right? A dream is a dream, but a dream with a plan becomes a goal. You take action on that plan, it becomes a reality. So here I have my 4 hours and 30 minutes need to be in favor, 1 to 3 in terms of risk to reward, rivers in favor, and I like to have my trade in 10 minutes. And then I like to set, forget, stop after 2 trades, and then do a post-market analysis. And then here is another example of the Bitcoin strategy, which we've made a whole video about, so go and check that out. So just to kind of summarize on this, the whole point of this is once you have a strategy, then you know what are the steps that you need to take in order to look for a trade idea, look for the entry requirement, like what is the signal? What is the signal you are looking for to enter into your trade? Now, I think some things to take away is for day trades, I like to open and close them and I like to be done for the day. I don't like sleeping on trades. I don't like thinking about this morning, you know, wake up in the morning, has it hit stop loss or has it wicked me and then gone in to take profit? There are many different types of emotions when you are holding them for a longer term. So that's why I like to be in and out and done for the day for day trading. That's on the funded trading side of things anyway. And then for swing trading, one of the best things about swing trading is you make a lot more money in the long run. You are able to capitalize on a much larger position, but you have to have a lot more patience. Remember, unrealized gains aren't real profit unless it's actually realized. And what I mean by that is you could see a trade go, you know, 1,000, 5,000, 2,000, pull all the way back, hit your stop loss, and then go all the way up again. And that kind of emotional roller coaster really isn't for me. So what I highly suggest you do, or what I like to teach, is go and write down the pros and cons. Write down, like, are you patient? What do you like? What do you prefer? Do you have time to swing trade? Do you have time to day trade? And once you compile that list, from there, you'll be able to figure out what is right for you. Another thing is, it doesn't matter if you get it wrong. Even if you don't know what's right for you, you can try it. If it doesn't work, then you go and switch it up and try the other method. Right, so when it comes to my swing trading strategy, and FYI, Bitcoin ended up breaking out of this pendant. If you haven't seen that video, go check out yesterday's price prediction video. It was really, really good, talking about different pendants and different sections. But on my swing trading charts, on TradingView, you can actually save different templates. And as you save different templates, you can use them for swing, your day trading. I have no idea what I named it Naked, because not because I'm naked, but there's a book called Naked Forex, and the whole idea of it was just to trade on pure price action and pure zones. That's why I named it after Naked, if you're wondering why. Don't forget to check out our Bitget promotion, guys. It is $15,000 of a prize pool. It's cash, so it's absolute cash. You could win that. All you have to do is sign up with a link in the description, 40k bonuses, and also 20% off of your trading fees. Can't get that anywhere else. Only Coin Bureau are available to provide you with such an amazing deal. So link in the description, and let's get back to the video. So on the swing trading one, it's only really one chart. I like to go through each one and look at them clearly. Yes, I could actually use the layout and then put 2, you know, 3 or 4 or 5. But the thing is, I just prefer to have it on 1, look at the overall picture, digress down into the 1 hour, and that is as low as I will go when it comes to my swing trading. What I also like to do is with my zones, I don't have my zones any lower than the 4 hour charts. I just find that if I do draw zones on my 1 hour, I will always keep them clean and I'll reset them every couple of days so that the zones are fresh. It's a nice little tip. So that's how I would use my swing charts. In my day trading charts, what I like to do is have my 4 hours on the left hand side. And the reason I have my 4 hours on the left hand side is it helps me see the overall movement. You know, right now there's a very bearish candle on gold, and realistically I can see a continuation happening and potentially retesting this low. And I can tell that just from looking on the left hand side. So on the far left, that tells me the story. Now the middle and the right one are exactly the same time frame. It's 30 minutes. Why is it 30 minutes, Dan? Why is it the same? Well, let me tell you. The reason it's the same is because we use something called Heikin-Ashi on the far right-hand side. Now, Heikin-Ashi is basically a sum of the averages of that time movement, okay? So you have your open and you have your close. That's how a normal Japanese candlesticks works. They have that whole time frame, and that movement is divided by 4. So what that means is that candlestick then becomes an average. So when it becomes an average, what that also means is it also reduces a lot of noise. It's a lagging indicator, so it is a little bit behind, but cons is obviously it's lagging, so by the time a movement is potentially happened or it's starting to happen, you may be a little bit late. But the pros is you do save a lot of headache, stress, mental capacity when it comes to managing your trade, because it is a lot linear and a lot smoother. So I'll give you an example here. So we can see at exactly the same time frame, this drop from this section here, we can see that we've dropped down, pulled up, dropped down, pulled all the way up, dropped down, pulled all the way up, dropped down, pulled all the way up. But on the Heikin-Ashi side of things, it is just one complete bearish movement. That's why Heikin-Ashi is one of my favorables, you know, to chart with, and I like to use that paired with price action in order to prepare for my trade ideas. Okay, so I hope that helps. That's my day trading strategy, how I approach it, how I break everything down. I've even given you all the flow charts, some pros and cons, some swings for it as well. So comment below, are you guys a day trader or are you a swing trader? It'll be interesting to see how many of you guys are of each, right? Is there the day trader dominant or swing trader dominant? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate all of you guys giving me positive feedback. It does motivate me to bring you more valuable content to help you guys learn and earn. You know, a lot of this knowledge I kind of speak from, you know, expecting you to know. So that's why I'm trying to take things back a little, trying to really help educate you guys and create more traders by providing you with this valuable content. So I look forward to seeing you all on the 10th of June in London, hometown London, where we've got this event with Guy and his team and the whole Coin Bureau team. So it'll be exciting to meet you guys. I do want to say in this, if you are watching this video, drop a comment below. I'm actually giving away some t-shirts. So if you've watched this far, you deserve a t-shirt. So drop a comment below, I don't know, any like Coin Bureau t-shirt. And then when I see you on the day, show me that comment and I'll give you a t-shirt. There's only a limited amount, so you better get commenting now and you better find me on the day. All right, so see you in the next video. Champ out. Peace.